Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Here we've got our contact, so obviously localize the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. And here tap on the circle or simply tap on add picture. Here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So here we've got our own gallery. We can also tap on the camera and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Here we've got Google Photos, so backed up photos, a monogram, so you can use the first letter or two letters. You can customize it. You can also change the background color. You can change the font. It's up to you. You can also use emoji. So after tapping on this option and tapping inside the circle, you will be able to choose from the set of emojis. So just find the option which you'd like to and tap on it. Of course, you can also change the background color. Moreover, you've got this monochrome option, which means that you can either display the emoji-like emoji, or you can make it more icon-like, I would say. So you've got only the outline. And illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. And here you can find some really beautiful options. So if you do not have the photo of this person, you can try to find something interesting here, for example this one. After tapping on the illustration or after choosing the photo, you will be able to crop it. Before cropping, here you've got the layouts, so you can choose something, but I wanted to focus on cropping. You can zoom in or out the photo. You can also change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. You can also simply change the size of this circle. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. Tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.